Turning documents into quizzes used to take hours. With DoctoQuiz, it takes seconds. Meet DoctoQuiz, the AI-powered quiz platform built for teachers and students. Upload any PDF, Word document, PowerPoint, or paste your text. DoctoQuiz handles every format. Generate multiple choice, true or false, short answer, and fill-in-the-blank questions, all powered by AI. Upload your study material in seconds and let our AI transform it into a complete quiz. Customize question count, difficulty level, time limits, and question types to fit any subject. Review your settings and confirm. Your quiz is just one click away. Your quiz is generated. Click Edit and Publish to manage and review your questions before sharing. Browse every generated question, edit answers, adjust difficulty, or delete what you don't need. Export your quiz to PDF or Excel for offline use. Hit Publish to make your quiz live, then assign it directly to a class. Students get instant access through a unique, shareable link. All your quizzes in one place. Teachers get a clear overview of every test with performance analytics at a glance. Dive into detailed analytics, total submissions, average scores, pass rates, top performers, and every student's individual result, all in one view. Share your quiz instantly via WhatsApp, copy the link, or send it through any channel your students already use. Create unlimited classes and assign any quiz with a single click. Each class gets its own join code for easy student enrollment. Inside each class, view enrolled students, track assigned tests, and embed quizzes directly into your website or learning management system. Students take quizzes in a clean, distraction-free interface with a live countdown timer, fully secured and monitored. Our built-in proctoring detects violations the moment they happen. Tab switches, minimizing full screen. Teachers are notified instantly via browser alert, email, and in-app notification. Students receive their full results immediately, score, correct answers, and pass or fail status shown clearly. A live leaderboard keeps students motivated by showing real-time rankings as results come in. The teacher dashboard gives a complete picture of all classes, quizzes, and student activity in one unified view. Convert any quiz into a shareable blog post with one click, perfect for publishing study guides online. Turn your quiz into a fully produced YouTube video automatically. Choose a voice, set your preferences, and DoctoQuiz generates the entire video. Narration, visuals, and branding included. Start creating smarter quizzes today. Visit DoctoQuiz.com. It is completely free to get started.